In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Apps over here. Now you need to choose App Cloner section and tap on one of the available apps, in my case Facebook. After that, choose this switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Lastly, choose Rename App Clone and rename your app if you wish to, however you wish to. Then tap on Save, and now when I go back, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!